India is home to some of the most luxurious and elite schools in the world. These schools are not just about academics. They offer a global curriculum, world-class infrastructure, international exposure, and a lifestyle that prepares students for top universities across the world. But all of this comes at a very high cost. Let's explore the top 5 most expensive schools in India. First is Woodstock School, located in Mussoorie. This school is often considered the most expensive in India, with annual fees going up to 30 lakh rupees. Spread across a beautiful 250, a CRE campus in the hills, it follows the IB curriculum and focuses on creativity, arts, and sustainability. With small class sizes and a diverse international student community, students get highly personalized attention and global exposure from an early stage. Next is the Doon School, one of the most prestigious boys' boarding schools in India. The yearly fee can go up to 25 lakh rupees. Known for its strong legacy, the school focuses on discipline, leadership, sports, and academic excellence. Its alumni network includes top politicians, business leaders, and public figures, making it one of the most influential institutions in the country. At number 3 is the Scindia School, located inside the historic Gwalior Fort. With fees around 12 rupees to 15 lakh rupees per year, it offers a rare combination of heritage and modern education. The school focuses on leadership development, character building, and academic strength, helping students grow in a structured and disciplined environment. Then comes Good Shepherd International School in Ooty. This co-ed boarding school charges between 15 rupees to 27 lakh rupees annually. It offers IB and IGCSE curriculum along with world-class facilities like golf courses, horse riding, and international level sports infrastructure. The campus and lifestyle here match global boarding schools. Finally, Dhirubhai Ambani International School is the most expensive day school in India. Fees range from 8 rupees to 20 lakh rupees per year. Founded by Neeta Ambani, the school offers ICSE, IGCSE, and IB programs. It is known for its modern infrastructure, global exposure, and a strong network of elite families, celebrities, and business leaders. What makes these schools truly expensive is not just the tuition fees, but the overall experience. From international faculty and exchange programs to advanced labs, arts, sports, and global university placements, these schools create a complete ecosystem for success. However, such education comes at a premium, making it accessible only to a small section of society. Still, they set benchmarks for quality and global standards in Indian education. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more such content.